All right. I would like to, I am Mayor Quentin Hart from the city of Waterloo, Iowa, here with a special presentation today on a very special day. We are honored to have our guests with us in attendance. And without further ado, I'm going to give the microphone to Mr. Rudy Jones, our Community Development Director, and let him introduce our guest.
Thanks, Mayor. We're so honored this morning to have our friends and our guests from the Kansas City, Des Moines office that's going to make this presentation of this Healthy Homes grant that we might complete the work that we've started years ago. We also have with us Ms. Julie Sleeper, who is replacing Steve Eggleston as the state HUD director as well, and we're glad to have her with us this morning also. And then we have city staff and Black Hawk County staff who are our primary partners in our programs. Mr. Clifford.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you. I want to thank you, Mr. Mayor, Quentin Hart, and also Rudy Jones, and all of your team here that has been doing such great work here in Waterloo. And what we wanted to do is, what HUD does is to, our mission is to create strong, sustainable, inclusive communities and quality, affordable homes for all. And what we mean is that we are supportive of homes, not just housing. And what a home is more than just the sticks and bricks, but it's also what it takes to all the intangibles to make sure that the housing is safe, decent, sanitary, and affordable. And that's what you're doing, and that's what we are here to help and assist. I'm the regional administrator for Region 7, which covers the states of Missouri, Kansas, Iowa, and Nebraska. And while my name is Ulysses, but everybody calls me Deke, it's easier. That's what you get when your dad is a deacon. So what we wanted to do is without any further ado, is to present to you, Mayor, a check from the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development for $1,991,991. Why we didn't just round it up to a cool $2 million? Those decisions are made. Yeah, I think Bruce has $3, and so we all can chip in. But we just want to thank you for the work that you're doing. We think that this work is important as it will allow you to, as I understand it, to address the health and safety needs of 100 homes here in Waterloo. And that is just such an important work, and we couldn't be more pleased to be a partner with you. Thank you. Oh, someone is, we have the check right here. Okay, good. Thank you, Mr. Mayor.
Yes, yes. So for those of us that keep up with the work we do at community development with our partners, we've been addressing with our lead paint hazard remediation money over the last few years, homes that have lead paint hazards with kids 5 and under. They also would give us a supplemental grant to address some of the safety and health measures that would contribute to the overall work. This particular grant gives us a lot more resources to address specifically the healthy home items, things that might trigger asthma in kids. It allows us to address rodents and pests. It allows us to address specifically, more intentionally, things like radon. So this grant is going to give us the ability to address things that we would always want to address, but not at the level we're going to be able to do now. So we are increasing our partnership base. Yesterday we had a great resource fair. We had over 40 participants, so we were able to garner a couple more partners out of that visitation. So we're ready to make sure we can find all the partners that we can to help us do the great work that we're continuing to do in our community.
We just would like to thank HUD. We would like to thank the Biden administration for all of the continuous partnerships. We've had an incredible relationship with our Kansas City office and our Des Moines office. So we are looking forward to continuing that in the future and trying to figure out ways that we can positively impact our community and positively impact housing and quality of life in all those areas. I want to thank community development and its staff as well. We know how hard you all work. You're unsung heroes within this community, and you do a lot without being seen. So we want to thank you so much for all your efforts. And once again, we thank you so much for this incredible grant for us to continue to do the work within our city of Waterloo. So thank you.